Hey y'all, I'm making a quick guacamole or guacamole. I'm a Tennessee girl, okay? I do not lay any claims to having a knowledge, even a little bit of knowledge about the wonderful cuisine that we call Mexican around here. I just know we love it. This is how I make quick guacamole. You can do it however you were taught, but if you don't know how, this is a good starter. So I've got my avocados that I've already peeled, and you can see how to do that really quickly here without any special tool. I've already squeezed a wedge of lime on the top, and I'm going to put a little salt. Now, if you're authentic and you know how to make it authentically, please comment below, let us know. But remember, I'm not laying any claims to being terribly knowledgeable. I just know we like what we like. And this is how I know how to make it. So it's a good starting point for somebody who's learning, right? That's what Heritage Cooking School is all about. Okay, so I just mash it up with my little pastry cutter here. This is what we use to cut the grease into the flour for biscuits here in the South. Okay, there's that. Then I'm going to put some cumin. Sprinkle that. That's just my preference. Also like black pepper. Also like fresh ground black pepper. I also like onions, but I'm not going to put any tonight because this is a quickie. I am going to put some cilantro because I have it right here ready to go. And we will also put those pits in there. We went, I've always heard to do that, and we went to our friend's house not long ago. They don't speak much English at all, and we speak pretty much no Spanish. But we smiled a lot and pointed and laughed at the niños and niñas. And they had the pits in their wonderful guacamole. Okay, this is just a rustic, looks good though. Look in this nice bowl that Mr. Patient conditioned for me. Found this at a yard sale and he conditioned it. Okay, so there it is. It might not be beautiful, but it's very healthy. You know, use it as a face mask. That's what people do. So good for you. It's a great baby food. You might want to exclude the salt. The salt I used is a healthy salt. It's Redmond's real salt. But that's it, y'all. That's going to be great. Look, it's going to be great on our enchiladas that we have ready to put in the oven.